Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Grades of clubbing can be of four types. In grade 1, there is obliteration of angle is seen between the nail and the nail bed. So between the nail and the nail bed, the angle which is present between the nail and the nail bed is actually of this. There will be an angle which is present between the nail and nail bed. This angle is actually 160 degrees. Okay, but this angle is obliterated in certain conditions. So this angle is mainly obliterated in conditions in clubbing. This angle is obliterated. So obliteration of the angle between the nail and nail bed is grade 1 clubbing. This angle, if it is obliterated, then that is grade 1 clubbing. Grade 2 clubbing. In grade 2 clubbing, there will be the curvature is seen like a parrot beak. So the nail will be something like this with a curvature of a parrot beak. Like a parrot beak, the nail will be present. So that is grade 2 clubbing. Then we have grade 3 clubbing. In grade 3 clubbing, there is drumstick appearance will be seen in grade 3 clubbing. Because of the increase in lateral side of the finger, so this results in grade 3 clubbing or drumstick clubbing. Then we have grade 4 clubbing. In grade 4 clubbing, we have hypertrophic osteoarthropathy is seen in grade 4 clubbing.
thank you and thank you for watching.